This is Ken McKay from Ken McKay Guitars, and I'm showing you how to make a single acting truss rod. So I've got this neck here that's pretty much ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drill the access. So that's what it is. I call this the thumbnail. When you do this, you want it to be just a minimum amount that allows a wrench to get in there, so because it'll weaken this area right here. Next thing is to take a 3/16 inch steel rod that will become the truss rod. There's threads on this end that are already done, and this is the end that goes right into here. So the next thing I do is I put it in and then I mark it. So the next thing I need is the hardware that goes with the rod. So I'm going to mark it here. And the next thing I'm going to do is cut it off. So now that it's the right length, I need to thread it on this end for the barrel nut. That's about it for that. And then the barrel nut goes on. So now I got it in. I don't want to tighten it too much, but it's ready to insert a strip of wood that goes above, in between the fretboard and that rod. So it's just like this, except it fits the whole length. So I'm going to do that now. Getting it in, and then what I'll do is I'll clamp it right here in the middle like this, and then clamp it all along. After I cut it off, then I'm ready to glue on the fretboard, which I have right here. This is the tool, it's called a spot facer. It's a tool used to drill the that little access right there, which I call a thumbnail. 21/32, that's the size of it. And they call it a counter bore. And this right here is the actual truss rod material, 3/16 inch. It gets inserted in there and screwed down with that Allen screw. So it's already glued up and clamped up, and it should be ready for planing this, cutting this off in about 4 or 5 hours. Right now the truss rod is done, and by the way, this is usually we use maple for that strip, but I wanted to use a little bit harder, stiffer wood, so I use this. This is a piece of Brazilian ebony. I'm gonna plane it down. I'll show you. Now the neck is ready to accept the fretboard and the headstock veneer.